Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can put an object on water in Blender. First, add an empty, and then Shift select your object. Go to Object, Transform, Align Object. Now, select your object, go to Constraints tab, and add a child of constraints. Choose the empty as a target. Duplicate it. Set it location C only. Now, select your empty, and this time add a shrink wrap constraint. Set the mode to project and project axis to -Z. Now, you can click on this checkbox. And you can see that it's on the water. But you could also move it by keyframing its location. The location of both your object and the empty. And this is it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Goodbye!